Hare Krishna and welcome to this commentary style video on flashcard set 1A part 2. And the focus is here new verbs, present indicative from lesson 2, and we will translate each Sanskrit verb into an English clause. Alright, let's start with card number 1. Sīdanti. Sīdanti. They sit. And here we note, as we did in the part 1 video for this flashcard bunch, here we note that the parentheses here in around they indicates that the pronoun they actually comes from inside the verb. So that's why we're marking it out like this. So it's like an implicit pronoun in the Sanskrit verb up here that we spell out. And the idea behind this this set of parentheses is also not just to indicate that there is an implicit pronoun, but it's also to more clearly point out that pronouns can be supplied in another way. So while this they here has parentheses and indicates that the pronoun actually comes from inside the verb, we could say, simplified. Another situation is that we don't have any parentheses down here, and that would indicate that we would have a separate pronoun up here in the Sanskrit. But of course on this card we don't have any separate ones, and that's why we have a set of parentheses down here. But we could have had a sentence like this up here on card 1, te sīdanti, and that would have been they sit as well, but without the parentheses. So in this way we can see, even in the English, how the Sanskrit should be constructed. So we can very nicely translate back into English once more and arrive at the exact same Sanskrit phrase. That's the whole point of it, that we can get this two-way translation. All right, so let's continue. Paśyasi. Paśyasi. You see. And here we also note that the you here is singular. It's not you two and it's not you all. So it's singular and nothing else. I'm sorry. Tyajataḥ. Tyajataḥ. They to abandon. Tyajataḥ. They to abandon. Pibāvaḥ. Pibāvaḥ. We to drink. Pibāvaḥ. We to drink. dhāvāmaḥ, dhāvāmaḥ. We run. dhāvāmaḥ. We run. nayāvaḥ, nayāvaḥ. And before we go to the English, we note once more here that we have another translation directive here, and this time a number 2, which indicates that this verb, this Sanskrit verb, should be translated using variant 2. So we know here from the number 2 here that there are at least 2 possibilities for translating this word into English. And we should pick number 2. So we have to know which one that is. And as it happens, number 2 is to take. So nayāvaḥ would be translated as we too take. nayāvaḥ, we too take. tiṣṭhatha, tiṣṭhatha. You all stand. tiṣṭhatha. You all stand. Vasāmi, vasāmi. I dwell. Vasāmi, I dwell. Smārāvaḥ, smārāvaḥ. We too remember. We too remember. patāyataḥ, patāyataḥ. You too fall. patāyataḥ. You too fall. vasāmi, vasāmi. I speak. vasāmi, I speak. bhavati, bhavati. And we note here once more here that we have a translation directive number 2 here. So we're using translation variant number 2 when we translate to English, which takes us to he becomes. Bhavati, he becomes. Thank you very much for watching this video, and Hare Krishna, Hare Rama.